Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the calendar that everyone will use. Open Google Calendar with the account that will own the group calendar. Once there, click the plus next to Other Calendars and choose Create New Calendar. Name it clearly for the group and add a concise description and the correct time zone so events sync properly. Make sure to click Create Calendar. This step instantiates a separate calendar rather than using your personal one, which keeps group events organized and permissions manageable. Once the calendar exists, configure who can see and edit it. Go to Settings for the new calendar and review access permissions to decide public or restricted visibility. Then use Share with specific people to add members by email. Assign roles deliberately, Viewer for read-only, make changes for event managers, because permissions control accidental edits. If you have many members, add a Google group or distribution address to save time, then send invites. Make sure members accept invites so their calendars display the shared events correctly. You finish by populating and verifying events on the shared calendar. When creating an event, pick the group calendar from the calendar drop-down so it appears for everyone. Add guests, conferencing, reminders, and a color to distinguish event types. Once done, ask a member to confirm they see the event. If someone can't see it, check that the calendar is shared with them, that they accepted the invite, and that the calendar is enabled in their other calendars list. A common fix is resending the share or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.